Three-point estimating technique is important in project management to ensure successful project planning and control. This technique involves estimating the duration, effort, or cost of an activity using three estimates for each task: the optimistic estimate, the pessimistic estimate, and most likely estimate. The optimistic estimate is a type of estimate that is used to predict the best case scenario for a task or activity. This estimate assumes that everything goes perfectly according to the plan and there are no unexpected delays, problems, or issues. For example, if a project manager is estimating the time required to complete a task, the optimistic estimate would assume that the task will be completed in the shortest possible time. This estimate is usually based on past experience, expert judgment, or historical data. The pessimistic estimate is useful because it helps project managers to identify the worst case scenario considering delays, complications, or unexpected challenges and plan accordingly. However, it is important to note that this estimate does not account for uncertainty or risk, which can have a significant impact on the project. The most likely estimate. The most likely estimate is a type of estimate that is used in project management to predict the most realistic scenario for a task or activity. This estimate assumes that everything goes as planned and there are no significant delays, problems, or issues. It takes into account the uncertainties and risks associated with the project and provides a more accurate estimate than the optimistic or pessimistic estimate alone. To calculate the estimate, project managers can use a weighted average formula. One common method is to use a triangular distribution, where the most likely estimate is weighted more heavily and the optimistic and pessimistic estimates are considered as extreme values. This formula can be used to calculate the weighted average mentioned in front of you on the screen. Project managers can identify possible risks and uncertainties by taking into account both optimistic and pessimistic projections. This makes it possible to properly identify risks and plan for their mitigation, ensuring that there are contingency plans to deal with unexpected challenges. The range of estimates generated through three-point estimating provides valuable information for decision making. This data may be used by project managers to assign resources, prioritize activities, and determine the feasibility of project objectives. Three-point estimates make it easier to communicate with stakeholders since they give a clearer picture of the project's uncertainties and possible outcomes. Because of this transparency, stakeholders may make wise decisions and trust is increased. The three-point estimates also give information about possible differences in effort or time, which helps in evaluating resource requirements. Project managers may better manage risks, make informed decisions, set achievable project goals by taking into account the optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely scenarios. The three-point estimating technique enhances project planning, control, and communication by providing a range of estimates that accounts for uncertainties and variations. Project managers may enhance resource allocation, schedule management, and overall project performance by using this strategy. See you in the next lecture.